This wood pile will decorate our garden until the firewood is dry. This one I built 2 years ago and it's sitting on plastic pallets. It's been outside for 2 years and it burns very well. This spring I've ordered a new delivery. This will cost me roughly 240 euros. This is oak and this truck is having 6 cubic meters. Of course this is not 6 cubic meters of wood, because there is a lot of air inside. In my region this is the standard price, this 240 euros for such a truck, including transport. And this is the place where I will build the new wood pile. There was about 4 meters high spruce tree which we used as a Christmas tree this December. In addition, what is in the way is the rest of the former playing ground for our kids that I built long time ago. And many wheelbarrows to go. That's my last plastic pallet. Here you can see that the rope was partly eaten by the apple tree, so I simply cut it off. My wood pile will be round, and secondly I want to hide the plastic part. So I have brought some bricks and shaped them in a circle around the pallet. And I started to stack the wood in a circle. For stability, the wood should be angled inside. For that reason, I put time to time some wood around the outside of the pile to raise the outside. Like this one. This will keep the wood leaning inside. And the center of the pile is for the all odd size pieces, twisted pieces, short pieces or round pieces of wood. To split the wood with an axe before it gets dry, it's very easy. At the last section of the pile, I let the inner part be higher than the outside, so when it rains, it will wash the water off the wood pile. And it's done. And in 2 years' time, it will be perfectly dry firewood. And that's the rest of the lot that I stacked up.